वेलकम फ्रेंड्स। आइए शुरू करते हैं इंडियन पॉलिटी की टॉप 50 एमसीक्यू ऑफ टॉप 500 एमसीक्यू सीरीज। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच स्टेट असेंबली हैज़ द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ मेंबर्स? एंड द आंसर इज उत्तर प्रदेश। उत्तर प्रदेश में 403 सीटें हैं सबसे ज़्यादा। सबसे कम सीटें हैं सिक्किम में, वो है 32। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द टर्म ग्राम सभा डिनोट्स? The answer is electoral college for panchayat. It is a village assembly consisting of all registered voters in the area of panchayat which constitute electoral college for panchayat. Next question. Three-tier panchayat raj system includes? And the answer is village level panchayat, block level panchayat and district level panchayat. 73rd constitutional amendments provide for the three-tier panchayat raj system, that is panchayat at village, intermediate block and district level. This act brings about the uniformity in structure of panchayat throughout the country. Next question, by which of the following amendment act of Indian constitution the panchayati raj system got the constitutional status? And the answer is 73rd. 73rd Constitutional Amendment 1992 established and accorded constitutional status to Panchayat Raj institution in India. Next question, which of the following constitutional amendments gave a constitutional status to urban bodies? And the answer is 74th. 74th Constitutional Amendment Act gave constitutional status to urban local bodies in India. Next question, 73rd Constitutional Amendment is related to? Answer is Panchayat Raj. Next question, the State Election Commission conducts, control and supervise municipal election under? The answer is Article 243 ZA. Article 243 ZA deals with election to municipalities, which is to be conducted under superintendence, direction and control of State Election Commission, whereas Article 243K provides for the election to panchayats. Next question, which of the following is related with the Panchayat Raj? And the answer is Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, which was constituted in 1957, is related with Panchayat Raj in India. Next question, the Balwant Rai Mehta Committee was associated with? The answer is Panchayat Raj. Next question, who had proposed the idea of the three-tier Panchayati Raj system? The answer is Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, which is associated with Panchayati Raj, was constituted in 1957 to examine the working of Community Development Program 1952 and National Extension Service 1953. Next question, which of the following is exercised by local government in relation with state government? And the answer is delegated authority. Delegated authority means assignment of any responsibility or authority to another person or institution to carry out specific activities. Next question, who proposed the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution? The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. Union budget is always presented first in. The answer is the Lok Sabha. Next question. Who is the guardian of fundamental rights enumerated in Indian Constitution? The answer is Supreme Court. The judiciary is the guardian of fundamental rights enumerated in Indian Constitution. Next question. The first law officer of Government of India is the. The answer is Attorney General for India. Attorney General for India is the first law officer of the Government of India. He is the Indian government's chief legal advisor and its primary lawyer in the Supreme Court of India. Next question. The Constitution of India borrowed the scheme of Indian Federation from the Constitution of. And the answer is Canada. Next question. Right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights during the rule of. The answer is Morarji Desai government. Next question. Who have the power to decide an election petition? And the answer is High Courts. Next question. By virtue of which act hierarchy was introduced in India? The answer is Government of India Act 1919. Next question. The federal system with strong center has been borrowed by the Indian Constitution from. The answer is Canada. Next question. The item education belongs to the. The answer is concurrent list. Next question is, who was the chairman of the Union Power Committee of Constituent Assembly of India? And the answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Under the Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946, elections were held for the first time of the Constituent Assembly. The Constitution of India was drafted by the Constituent Assembly and it was the implementation under the Cabinet Mission Plan on 16 May 1946. The Constituent Assembly appointed a total of 22 committees to the deal with different tasks and constitution making. Out of these, 8 were major committee and the other were minor committees. Among those 8 committees, one was Union Constitution Committee chaired by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. Who called Indian federalism as the cooperative federalism? The answer is G. Austin. Next question. The legal advisor to the state government is known as. The answer is Advocate General. Next question. Which of the following exercised the most profound influence in forming the Indian Constitution? The answer is the Government of India Act 1935. Next question. Article 1 of the Constitution declares India as. And the answer is Union of States. Next question. The idea of including the emergency provisions in the Constitution of India has been borrowed from the. The answer is Weimar Constitution of Germany. Next question. Which article of the Constitution of India accords special status of the state of Jammu and Kashmir? And the answer is 370. Next question. Age of the candidate of contest parliamentary election should not be lesser than. Answer is 25 years. Next question. The election commission was converted into 3-member commission in the following year. And the answer is 1990. Next question. Which of the following is source of income of a Gram Panchayat? And the answer is levy duties. Next question. In which year was High Court in Madras established? The answer is 1862. Next question. The first woman to be the Speaker of Lok Sabha is. The answer is Meira Kumar. Next question. In the discharge of his functions, the Attorney General is assisted by. The answer is 2 Solicitor General and 4 additional Solicitor General. Next question. Lotteries organized by the government of a state come under. And the answer is state list. Next question. A change in distribution of powers between the center and the state can be done by. The answer is amending the constitution. Next question. In which respect have the center state relation been specifically termed as municipal relation? And the answer is center's control of the state in planning process. Next question. Which of the following are true? 1. Only some states in India have legislative councils. Second, some member of legislative councils are nominated. 3. Some members of legislative councils are directly elected by the people. The answer is all three. Next question. The Vidhan Sabha is. And the answer is subject to dissolution. Next question. Who among the following is legal advisor of the state government as provided by the Constitution? And the answer is Advocate General. Next question. Constitutional majestic means. And the answer is election of king by the people. Constitutional majestic means a government in which the king is the head of the constitutional state, that is United Kingdom. Next question. COPE is. The answer is sudden overthrow of a government illegally. Coup is a term denoting conspiracy to topple government illegally. Middle East countries have experienced many such instances, like Egypt. Next question: which of the following language have been the status of classical language by the central government? The answer is Tamil. Next question: who among the following supports customary rights? The answer is Ricci. Customary rights are based on custom and traditional practices. Ricci extended his supports for customary rights. Next question: what is meant by defection? And the answer is changing party after winning election. Defection in politics implies switching the political parties after winning election. Next question: which are the two forms of democracy? And the answer is direct and indirect. Democracy is two type, direct and indirect. The direct democracy, people participate directly in policy initiative and decision making, whereas in indirect democracy, decision making is done by representative elected by the people. Next question: a government rules within limits set by constitutional law and citizen right. And the answer is democratic. Democratic form of government works within limit set by the constitutional laws and citizen rights. Next question: which government is better than other forms of government because it allows us to correct its own mistakes? The answer is democratic. Democratic government is better than all forms of government. Democracy means government of the people, for the people, and by the people. It gives opportunities to individual, organization, and entity to rectify the discrepancies. Next question: the Model Code of Conduct issued by the Election Commission of India for conduct of political parties and candidates during election is. The answer is agreement between all registered political parties. Election Commission of India Model Code of Conduct is a set of guidelines issued by the Election Commission of India for conduct of the political parties and candidates during elections, mainly with respect of speech, polling day, polling booth, election manifestos, procession and general conduct. All parties after agreement have given the consent to the Election Commission to take the disciplinary action against a candidate or party in case of violation of Model Code of Conduct. Next question: English is the official language of, and the answer is Chandigarh. English is the official language of Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli has recognized Gujarati, Marathi and Hindi. Daman and Diu has recognized Gujarati, Konkani and Hindi. as its official language. Hindi is the official language of Delhi.